Have you ever wondered if a machine could know what you're truly feeling just by looking at you? It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. This is the world of Emotion AI, a technology that claims to read our innermost feelings. Imagine a camera, but instead of just capturing your image, it's analyzing every subtle twitch of your face. These are micro-expressions, fleeting movements that can betray your true emotions, lasting less than a fraction of a second. This AI is trained to spot them. It watches the corners of your mouth, the crinkle around your eyes, the slight furrow of your brow. It even tracks your pupils, noting how they dilate or constrict in response to what you're seeing or hearing. It's like a super-powered detective for your face. This technology doesn't just see these movements. It understands them. Using massive datasets of human faces, engineers have taught these systems to map specific facial configurations to emotional states. A slight upturn of the lips combined with a crinkle at the eyes, the AI logs that as joy. A downturned mouth with tensed eyelids, that could be sadness or anger. It creates a detailed emotional fingerprint, translating your nonverbal cues into data points representing happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, and disgust. It's a dictionary for the language of the face, written in code. So, where is this technology being used? You might be surprised. Some companies are experimenting with it in job interviews. The AI analyzes a candidate's video responses, supposedly to gauge their confidence, engagement, and honesty. The idea is to find a perfect fit by looking beyond the words on a resume. Think about airports. Emotion AI is being tested in security lines to flag individuals who appear unusually stressed or deceptive, hoping to prevent potential threats before they happen. It scans the crowd, looking for the one face that doesn't fit the emotional baseline of a typical traveler. And it's even entering our classrooms. Systems are being developed to monitor students' faces during online lessons. Is a student engaged, confused, or bored? The AI provides real-time feedback to the teacher, suggesting when to re-explain a concept or change the pace of the lesson. The goal is to create a more personalized and effective learning experience, adapting to each student's emotional state. From hiring to security to education, Emotion AI is quietly becoming a new layer of judgment in our daily lives. What this all points to is a fascinating and perhaps unsettling new frontier: artificial emotional intelligence. For centuries, understanding emotions, what we call empathy or emotional intelligence, has been a uniquely human trait. It's how we build relationships, negotiate, and navigate complex social situations. Now, we are trying to teach machines this very skill. The goal isn't just for AI to recognize an emotion, but to understand its context and respond appropriately, just like a person would. Imagine a virtual assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but senses your frustration and changes its tone to be more helpful, or a car that knows you're tired and suggests taking a break. We're on the verge of creating technology that doesn't just think, but feels asterisk, or at least can perfectly mimic the act of feeling. But as this technology becomes more powerful, it raises profound ethical questions. The most significant is privacy. Our faces are our own, but what happens when every smile, frown, and flicker of doubt can be captured, analyzed, and stored without our full understanding or consent? Who owns this emotional data? Can it be used against us? Imagine being denied a loan because an algorithm decided you looked untrustworthy during an application, or being flagged as a security risk because you were having a bad day. The potential for misuse and bias is enormous. If the AI is trained on a limited set of faces, it might misinterpret emotions from different cultural backgrounds, leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. Where do we draw the line between helpful technology and invasive surveillance? It is no surprise that the biggest names in technology are pouring billions of dollars into this field. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, as well as countless startups, are all racing to develop and patent their own emotion AI systems. Why? Because emotional data is incredibly valuable. It's the final frontier of user information. Knowing what a user likes is one thing, Knowing how they feel in real time is a marketer's dream. It could revolutionize advertising, product development, and entertainment. The company that masters emotion AI could have an unprecedented ability to influence human behavior, making this one of the most competitive and secretive arms races in the tech world today. Ultimately, the future of emotion AI hinges on a single crucial element: trust. Can we trust the companies building it to be transparent and ethical? Can we trust the algorithms to be fair and unbiased? And most importantly, can we trust the machine to truly understand the complex, messy, and beautiful reality of human emotion? The conversation is just beginning, and the answers will shape the very fabric of our society. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to read your emotions? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one. Thanks for watching, and if you found this exploration into the future of technology fascinating, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.